Every morning I wake up, I think of you.
Every morning you wake up and you think of me.
You're my alarm clock.
I'm keeping you responsible.
You're so close, you're just an arm's length away. Your voice is the start of my day.
Okay.
So listen what I have to say.
Beep, 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 yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Snooze. Sometimes in the morning when I wake up and I hit snooze, it's hard for me to go back to sleep because I don't know if the alarm's going to come back for me.
No, Nick, I will always come back for you. You know, you just hit snooze and I'm only 9 minutes away.
Every night before I go to bed, I set you.
Neath the moon in the starlight, I'll be sleeping next to you.
You're my alarm
Clock,
you're keeping me responsible.
you're safe in the glow of my nightlight.
Responsible.
I'll be sure that you're gonna sleep right.
Oh, listen what I have to say.
Beep, 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 yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. I love you.
Oh wait, Nick, did you just say you love me?
You know, I've stayed in a lot of hotel rooms. And yeah, every hotel, yeah, they do have an alarm clock. But the buttons are different. And every time I touch one of those, I just feel dirty. So I guess I'll see you in the morning.
I'll be right by your side.
You're keeping
Me responsible.
Electrik Vehicle!
Micucci and Nick Thune, the Electric Express.